Hello children, this is Edison. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter Integrals Part 5. In this part, we discuss the topic integration by parts. Integration by parts. This is the another method of finding the integration for the given function. If they are giving the function as the product form, so really it may be little difficult for us. Maybe you can use a substitution method. But here this integration by parts will be really very much helpful to find the integration. Okay, so we just derive the formula of that one. See children, I'm just considering the two functions. One is u and v. Okay, yeah. Now see that from this I'm going to differentiate this the product of uv. So that is d by dx of uv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. We'll be writing this first. Okay, now I'm going to integrate this. So this means what will happen? duv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now I'll do the integration. You know what will happen? So this is nothing but uv only. Here it is integral u dv by dx integral v du by dx. Okay, yeah. So now see from this I can get integral u dv by dx into dx is nothing but uv minus integral v du by dx into dx. Okay, so now the product of the function should be considered in this way. Okay, integral, this u is considered as the first function. Okay, u is the first function. Okay, now this dv by dx. Okay, dv by dx is the second function. Okay, we are considering this as the first function. dv by dx as what? Second. Okay, now see, I'm going to consider the first function u as f of x. Then dv by dx as g of x. Now see children, from this I can get dv is equal to g of x into dx. Here this can be differentiated. We'll be getting du by dx is nothing but f dash of x. So this implies we can have du equal to f dash of x dx also. Okay, here if you do the integration, this is nothing but integral dv equal to integral g of x dx. So now I'm getting this v is equal to integral g of x into dx. Now I'm going to replace over there. Okay, so how I'm going to replace? See here, it is uv. What is u? U is nothing but f of x only into v. What is v? We got integral of g of x dx, because the g of x is actually what? Second function we consider. It is actually what? Second function. This f of x we took as what? First function. Okay, yes. So now is equal minus integral. So what is v? V is nothing but integral of the second function. That means integral g of x dx. Then into this du by dx we have written. No, what is that? It is g of x. Okay, g of x into this dx. Du by dx, this is this f dash of x dx. That's all. Okay, is nothing but the right hand side integral u is the first function, that is f of x. Okay, now what is next? dv by dx. Where is dv by dx? It is actually g of x. So g of x dx. That's all children. So now we can write this as in this form. Okay, so first this one, product of the two functions. Okay, the product of the integral of the product of the two functions is nothing but, we can say, product of first function into integral of second function minus integral of, see that, integral of second into differential coefficient of first. That's all, children. Into dx is nothing but integral of product of two functions. That's all, children. But here this is looking like little different for us, but it can be written in this way easily. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So this is the formula to be remembered. You see, children, it's not very difficult. See, here the product of the two function, one is u, another one is dv. That's what here. This is u, this is dv. Yeah, g of x dx. You can see that. uv, what is u? This is f of x. v is integral g of x dx. That's what. Okay, this is u, this is v. Then minus integral v du. So this is nothing but v, this is nothing but du. See here, that's what, children. It's very simple. uv integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Okay, so please do remember, children, u is considered as the first function, then dv is considered as the second function. Okay, children. Yeah, but here they are giving two functions, x into sin x, okay, e power x into cos x, like that, then log x into sin x, like that they are giving the functions. Then we should suppose choose which is the first function, which is the second function. There will be the question mark, no? Yes. So for this idea, we are going to follow this rule, I late. What is I stands for? I stands for inverse trigonometric function. Okay, inverse trigonometry. L stands for logarithmic. A stands for algebraic. Then T stands for trigonometric. E stands for exponential. Okay, children, why did I write this one? I have to see the two functions, say x into sin x. Okay, e power x into sin x, like that and all. I'm just seeing the question, the integrand part as the product, I'm seeing that. Then to select the first function, I have to see in this order. In this order, whichever comes first is the first function. Okay, if I consider x into sin x, x is nothing but, it is actually algebraic. Sin x is nothing but trigonometric. Which comes first? A only comes first. Then this is the second. That's all, children. We have to choose u equal to x, then v dv equal to sin x dx. Like that you will be taking. That's all, children. So very simple. Okay, you should suppose remember this idea. Even I can say the function like this. It is x square into sine inverse of x integral, this one. Then which will be the first function? You just go back. Inverse, log, algebraic, trigonometry and exponential. So here this x square is actually algebraic, but sine inverse, it is inverse. So we can say this immediately, children. This u is equal to sine inverse of x. Then dv equal to x square dx. We have to split that function, given function, as a two form only. We have to split into two, like this only. This is what? This is first function, this is the second function. This is second, this is the first. Like that we should suppose split it. Then after I write this u and dv, then we need to go for the procedure, because the procedure we know that it is u integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. That's all. So here this dv will be integrated, this u will be differentiated. That's all, children. After you doing this differentiation and integration, you can replace over here. You can get the answer immediately. First sum integral, very simple sum. It is x sin x dx. So already we discussed about it. I consider this x is the algebraic, sin is t. In the order I later, this x is the first function, sin x is the second function. Therefore, u is equal to x, then dv equal to sin x dx. Okay, now u has to be differentiated. So that means I find du by dx. It is x. When you differentiate, it is 1. So therefore, we can say that du is nothing but dx. Then here this has to be differentiated. So you'll be getting v is equal to integral dv is v. Integral sin x is minus cos x. Don't put plus c. If you put plus c also, at last it will become same many constant. Then finally you'll be getting only one constant. You can replace in the formula. So what's the formula? Integral u dv. That means integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So u dv, it is x, then sin x dx equal to uv. What is u? U is x. What is v? Minus cos x. Minus integral. What is v? Again here minus cos x into du is here. Du is nothing but dx. Okay. Yes. So now it can be rewritten as minus x cos x, then minus and minus plus integral cos x is nothing but only sin x. Now at last we can put the constant plus c. So integral x sin x dx is nothing but minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Okay. Yeah. We do the another sum. Integral x sin inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now here also children we have to see that always that highlight will be working. Yeah, that also possible, but that highlight is actually what? To make the given sum is easier. We are using some general formula. So for some cases it won't be satisfying also. We can do any of the idea to do the sum. So now here I am considering the first function. Okay, the first function as sin inverse of x itself. U is equal to sin inverse of x. Then second function, this dv is nothing but x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now first function always should be differentiated, no? So du equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, then the second function should be integrated, no? I'll put this one, but here what will I do? T equal to 1 minus x square, your dt, substitution method I am applying, minus 2x dx, therefore minus dt by 2 equal to x dx. I'll be replacing over here. So this is nothing but v is equal to integral. For x dx I'll be writing minus 1 by 2 dt by it is root t. Okay, we remember children formula. It is integral 1 by root t means it is 2 root t. Therefore minus 1 by 2 root t. Okay, this is nothing but minus root of 1 minus x square. What is that? It is v. Okay, yeah. Now v is minus root of 1 minus x square. U is sin inverse of x. Children, so we write the formula once again for you. It is u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. You know what is u? It is sin inverse of x. Then dv is what? X by root of 1 minus x square dx. That's all. U sin inverse of x itself. V, we found it is minus root of 1 minus x square minus integral v du. V is actually already minus root of 1 minus x square only. Then what is du? We found du is 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now this root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square getting cancelled. Now we can write it is minus root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x. This minus into minus become plus integral only dx. So it is nothing but x plus c. That's also your answer, x sin inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square dx is nothing but minus root of 1 minus x square Sin inverse of x plus c is the required answer. Okay, children. So this is how we should suppose to do the integration by parts in this type. Okay. Yes. So now we are going to see one more type on this. So that is if they give the question in this form. That means integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Okay, in this form if they give means what we have to do, I just take this as I itself, will derive here itself. Same I is equal to e power x into f of x dx, because this different term means we can do the integration individually. So plus integral e power x into f dash of x dx. Let us consider this as the I1. Okay, plus integral e power x f dash of x dx. Now see, I take this I1 is equal to integral e power x f of x dx. Here I am considering the first function u as f of x itself. The second function dv as e power x dx. Okay, so now differentiate this. I get du equal to f dash of x dx. Here v equal to this one e power x itself. Okay, now I'm going to replace this one in the formula. We know the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Substitute integral, this means I1 e power x f of x dx is equal to uv. So that means what? E power x f of x minus v du e power x into du is nothing but f dash of x dx. Children, I got I1 is like this. So I'm going to replace. So if I name this as 1 means it is better for us to understand. So now therefore this 1 implies I is nothing but what is I1? E power x f of x minus integral e power x f dash of x dx plus this e power x into f dash of x dx. Now what do you observe, children? These both are same, no? You can cancel them. So after cancelling you can give the answer. This I is nothing but what? Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. This form you are getting the answer immediately, e power x into f of x plus c. That's all, children. How easy it is. So we can see, if you see the formula in the given sum, immediately you can give the answer this. If you find this form means immediately you can give the answer, children. Okay, we do some sums on this. This integral x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into e power x dx. So e power x comes means then the remaining function in the integrand, it must be splitted as one function, two function. That as what? One is f of x means the second one must be f dash of x. Like that if you have means you can give the answer immediately, e power x into f of x. So I am going to do in that way. So here x square, I am going to subtract and add one number, minus 1 plus 1. Already there is 1. That means what? I just added this one, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is my extra work. For our convenient, now x plus 1 whole square e power x. Okay, so now see, children, in this I split this x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into e power x, which is dx. Now see, what is x square minus 1? It is x plus 1 into x minus 1. So here this x plus 1 will get cancelled. But what will you be getting? It is x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square e power x dx. Okay, we have written as the two different function, but how do we know which is f of x, which is f dash of x? So I consider this as f of x. I find f dash of x. Then it is u by v method. So x plus 1 into 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So it is x plus 1, here x minus 1, x get cancelled, 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 by x plus 1 whole square. Children, this is f dash of x. If I consider this is f of x means I am getting this 2 by x plus 1 whole square as a f dash of x. So since it is in this form, so this is nothing but what? Integral f of x plus f dash of x e power x form. So therefore, you can give the answer is e power x into f of x plus c. So this implies for the given question, we can say e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c as the required answer. Okay, children? Yeah. Now next question, it is integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. How to work on this? We'll have little confusion. Yes? See children, it's very simple. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, we know that. It is 2 cos square theta. If it is only 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. Therefore, e power x into 1 plus sin x by 2 cos square x by 2. Okay? Yeah. So now, integral e power x, I am going to divide it. This 1 by 2 e power cos square x by 2 plus the sin x we are having. No, here x by 2, numerator also should be x by 2 form. No, then only we can do some simplification. So we use sin 2x formula means 2 sin x into cos x. If it is sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So I am going to write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So now here this 2 get cancelled, cos x by 2, 1 cos x by 2 will get cancelled. So now we rewrite this as integral e power x. Here 1 by 2 cosecant, 1 by cos, no secant. So secant square x by 2 plus, this is nothing but sin by cos. It is only tan x by 2. Okay children, now itself hope you got the idea. Okay, what it is, which is differentiated to get secant square, or which is differentiated to get tan, which is better, which is the correct one, tan x by 2. So if we consider f of x is tan x by 2, we just find out children f dash of x, tan of something, secant square something, but something has to be differentiated in 1 by 2. See, there it is here. Suppose we can rewrite this as what? Integral e power x into f dash of x plus f of x form. So my answer is what? E power x into f of x. So therefore, I can write immediately the answer for the given question, integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx is nothing but e power x into tan x plus c, tan x by 2, tan x by 2 plus c. That's also done. Hope you all understood the concept whatever I taught today, and I did the sums also on that basis. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. So please try the hope you all understood whatever I taught in this video. Okay, if just to try to do the remaining sums in your exercise. If you have any doubts, please ask through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.